Hi, my name is Todd McInnes, and I chose computer for Center for Computer Technology because I'd been out in the IT world for a few years and I wanted to start my own business. And in order to add credibility to the business, I needed CompTIA certifications. I chose CTT for several reasons. It's convenience, location, and the high percentage of graduation rate with its students, and the, the, the staff and Teresa were great to work with. And since then, um, we've actually had a few of the students come and work for us. We provide contracting to hospital IT departments, but again, thank you, Teresa, for all that you do and have done for the students and myself. And we look forward to working with you in the future. So, those of you who had maybe a little experience who want to get out there and try and make it on your own, I say go for it and have those certifications put out on your website. And good luck. Thank you.